welcome to the SCS Golf Day dinner. Right, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is going to be really exciting. Lots of lucky draw prizes to be given out. Great prizes, Apple gadgets, an Acer laptop, whiskey, and lots more.
Good evening and a warm welcome to SCS members, partners and friends. Thank you for taking time off for our 24th SCS Golf Day. We have a lot of exciting things happening tonight, especially the lucky draw prizes, which I was told amount to a total of $10,000 to be given away.
So ladies and gentlemen, we'll be giving out the novelty prizes. So if you're ready, please put your hands together. Welcome our guest of honor on stage, Mr Chan.